Sinappa Nayaka was the son of Varadappa Nayaka and Lakshmakka. He learned Sanskrit, Kannada, music, Veda, Upanishad and Puranas at his younger age. Later, he took up his father's profession of dealing in precious stones. He married Saraswati and begot 4 children. He was the richest man in Vijayanagar, but miser in nature. He had earned the name Navakoti Narayana because of his immense wealth. A miraculous event changed the course of his life. He was transformed into a saint by the will of God, who appeared in the guise of a poor old Brahmin. The story goes like this. This Brahmin approached Sinappa Nayaka and pleaded for financial help to perform the Upanayanam of his son. As Sinappa was a miser, he refused to help him and drove him off. The Brahmin then approached his pious wife, who was generous enough to spare her diamond nose ring. The Brahmin took this ring to Sinappa and asked him to advance some money against the security of the same. He immediately recognized the nose ring as that of his wife and locked the same in a box. He asked the Brahmin to wait and rushed to his house. He demanded Saraswati to fetch her nose ring. In great anguish, she prayed to the Lord,
Krishna, Krishna.
and decided to end her life by taking poison. A miracle happened, and the nose ring appeared in the poison cup from nowhere. She handed over the same to her husband. He was shocked and astonished. He rushed back to the shop and found that the Brahmin had disappeared, and so also the nose ring. This episode transformed him and changed his life.
ಕಲಿಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿನಾಮವನೆನೆದರೆ ಕುಲಕೋಟಿಗಳು ಉದ್ಧರಿಸುವವು.
This episode transformed him and changed his life. He attributed this transformation as a credit to his wife and composed one song in praise of his wife. He gave away all his belongings in charity to the poor and became a saint known as Purandara Dasa. Singing the praise of God and preaching His glory to the masses through his songs. It is said that he has composed about 4,75,000 songs. They are known for their simplicity of style, homely similes, and philosophical truths. They are enjoyed by everyone and have a lasting popular appeal even today. The entire work of Purandara is termed as Purandara Upanishad by scholars.